In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing fast and easy. Pinterest is an incredibly powerful platform for affiliate marketing, and with a few strategic steps, you can harness its potential to drive traffic and sales effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to Pinterest. Simply open your internet browser and type Pinterest into your search bar like you would with any other website. Click on the first link that appears, which will direct you to the Pinterest homepage. Once you're there, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. However, if you do already have a personal account, consider setting it up as a Pinterest business account, or better yet, converting it into one. A business account is entirely free and is essential as it provides useful analytics and other professional tools that you wouldn't otherwise have access to with a personal account. Next, think of these boards as shopping aisles or curated collections of interests, and create boards that are affiliate-focused. For example, you could have boards titled Best Home Office Essentials, Travel Must-Haves, or Self-Care Products You'll Love. The idea is to have each board appear as a well-thought-out shopping guide that appeals to specific interests or needs. This curated approach also makes it easier for users to find exactly what they are looking for. Once your boards are ready, you'll need to design pins that catch the eye. Vertical pins are known to perform better on Pinterest, so using a tool like Canva can help you craft these effectively. Specifically in the dimensions of 1000 x 1500 pixels. Adding text overlays like 10 must-have travel gadgets can increase the allure of your pins. Instead of just using plain product images, try to create lifestyle mock-ups that illustrate how products are used in real life, making them more relatable and engaging to viewers. Now let's add those affiliate links effectively. You can either directly link your affiliate links to the pins if the program allows it, or for a safer and SEO-friendly method, link your pins to a blog post or landing page, where your affiliate links are hosted. Remember, it is crucial to disclose the use of affiliate links in your pin descriptions, as Pinterest requires such transparency. Optimizing your content with Pinterest SEO is vital. Use descriptive keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and even in your board names. Instead of something generic like cool gadgets, opt for best travel gadgets for 2025. Lastly, but importantly, include 2 to 5 relevant hashtags to boost your visibility. Incorporate idea pins to build authority in your niche. These can be formatted as short guides or tutorials. For example, 3 kitchen tools I use daily. They add value to the viewer first, encouraging them to explore your profile or blog for further resources and links. Finally, tracking and scaling your efforts is key. Use Pinterest Analytics to monitor your outbound clicks and affiliate dashboards like Amazon or Share a Sale to evaluate conversions. Double down on what works by identifying which products and pin styles are achieving the best results. And don't hesitate to iterate your strategy as you gather data. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently use Pinterest for affiliate marketing and start seeing impressive results. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it opens up new avenues for your affiliate marketing strategy.